How to fix Chivalry 2 keeps crashing, freezing, or hanging at startup on Windows PC. 1. Check for potential overheating in your PC. And ensure your PC meets the hardware requirements. 2. Run your Windows in its clean boot, find out the troublemaker. 3. Fix corrupted files via Steam's verify the integrity of game files. 4. Update graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Download or update the X and Visual C++ redistributor. 6. Game or Steam launcher as admin. 7. Allow the game through the firewall. 8. Update game patch.